9 low-calorie foods for a nutrient-rich diet. The first low-calorie food for diets is eggs. One chicken egg is known to contain 72 calories and 6 grams of protein, and is equipped with various minerals and vitamins that are important for the body. Potatoes can also be a low-calorie diet food choice when processed by boiling or baking. A medium-sized, unpeeled baked potato is known to contain around 161 calories. Potatoes also contain protein and fiber that can make a person feel full. Lean meat such as chicken breast is one of the low-calorie, high-protein foods. The reason is, in 85 grams of uncooked chicken breast only contains about 100 calories. Besides being low in calories and high in protein, skinless chicken breast is also a good source of niacin, selenium, and vitamin B12. Berries are one of the low-calorie snack options for diets that can be included in your daily menu. Some types of berries, such as blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries, are known to have quite low calories, making them suitable for consumption for weight loss. The next low-calorie food recommendation for diets is watermelon. This fruit is alleged to have a high water content, so it can keep the body hydrated and feel full longer. Cod is a lean fish and a great low-calorie diet option if you're a seafood fan. Cod is lower in calories than salmon, sardines, tuna, and other fish, with less than 70 calories and 15 grams of protein per 85 grams of cod. If you want to eat delicious but low-calorie food, then shrimp is one of the options. Despite its abundance of nutrients such as niacin, selenium, protein, and vitamin B12, the calorie content of shrimp is quite low, which is about 26 calories from about 4 large shrimps. With a fairly low calorie content of 44 calories per cup of mung beans, this food is suitable for your diet. Mung beans are also high in fiber, minerals, and vitamins A, B, and C. You can consume mung beans by processing them into stir-fry or porridge. Spinach is one of the low-calorie vegetable options, where 100 grams of boiled spinach contains only 16 calories. This vegetable is suitable for a healthy diet menu because it is enriched with beta-carotene, which is important for weight loss, and high in iron, which is useful for preventing anemia.